Ice cream has been one of my favorite from ever since. So I've decided to share this amazing recipe with you guys. In a pot, you want to add 1 cup of dragon stout and allow it to reduce to half of its volume. Then you're going to put 1 teaspoon of coffee and then we're going to put that aside. In a mixing bowl, you want to go ahead and add 2 cups of heavy whipped cream. We're going to whip until it reaches a soft peak. Then we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of condensed milk. You want to make sure that your condensed milk is properly whisked out. Now to your coffee and dragon stout reduction, you want to go ahead and add some nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla. We're going to mix and incorporate all these ingredients. Then all you have to do is to pour this lovely mixture in your whipped cream. And we're going to go ahead and whisk again. This recipe is pretty simple, but since the alcohol is in it, you want to reserve this one for adults only. Now to the mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add some shaved chocolate. And I'm just going to use my spatula to gently fold it in. Now I'm satisfied with my ice cream. I'm going to get a clean plastic bowl and I'm going to pour my mixture in it, and then I'm going to cover and allow this to freeze for 4 to 6 hours. You want to make sure that it's covered properly to prevent freeze or burn. It has been 6 hours now since my ice cream has been in the freezer. It's time for me to enjoy some of this bold ice cream. Please feel free to try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe if you're new, and share the recipe with a friend.